All right, so chances are you probably just watched my tutorial on how to add text to a spreadsheet. And now you're coming back to find out how to highlight the text that you added in a specific color based on what the text says. Super, super simple. So we're going to jump right into it. If you find this helpful, I would appreciate a subscribe. Um, Not necessary, but it would be pretty awesome. So I've highlighted my column. It's really only going to do the rows that are next to the minimum qualifiers. Those are the only ones that are going to display hell yeah brother or sorry brother. So we are going to go to the top of our spreadsheet, click format. We're going to go down to conditional formatting, conditional format. As you can see here, it's doing every single row or column of I on the spreadsheet. And this is the part that matters. So format rules, format cells if. We're going to drop this down to text is exactly. Now you can do any variation of this. So if you had additional words and you wanted it to say, highlight, if your text was hell yeah, brother, that's awesome. And you want it to text everyone that includes hell yeah, brother, you could include something like text contains. But we're going to do text is exactly. And if the text is exactly, hell yeah, brother, we would like it to show. I'm always a fan of just the green letters. I like them to be bold. And we are going to do done. And you'll already see over here that hell yeah, brother is highlighted green. Now, I want to do the same thing for sorry, brother. So if they didn't meet, then I want to drop the format rules down to text is exactly. Sorry, brother. And again, I don't like the highlighted background, so you might prefer it. We'll do default, bold, done, and close this out. Now, every single time that hell yeah, brother or sorry, brother pops up on your spreadsheet, it's automatically going to highlight green or red for you. Hope you found this helpful. I will do another tutorial showing how all this information is automated. So again, this is a scorecard. All of these cells read to individual scorecard sheets, and I have all of this information reading from separate tabs. So I'll do another tutorial on that soon. Stay tuned. Again, if you like this, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Thank you all and have a great rest of your day or night.